Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Hi guys! Kamusta? Kamusta mong tanan? And yes guys, this is going to be the third video that we're going to do tonight. Yeah. Why? Because we want to upload more videos. And yeah, why? Kasi guys, nanghiram lang tayo ng laptop, nasira yung laptop natin, and it will be returned 45 days after. And I am really sad. So guys, earlier, nag-video tayo ng kilay and also nag-video tayo ng how to apply foundation. And hopefully na-upload yun sa bago ko pa ito i-upload, and I'm going to link them up here and also down below. So for this video, we are going to do how to bronze and also how to contour. Yes, guys, we are going to achieve that one. And again, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm just going to teach you guys how I do it myself. And yeah, I would like to share it with you guys. And so, without further ado, let's start the video. So guys, this is the brush that I love using for applying my bronzer. Kasi tapered siya. Kita nyo ba? Tapered means hindi siya pantay. Iba-iba yung kanyang hindi ko this one, yung length niya, iba-iba yung iba yung pagkagupit or yung length niya, iba-iba. So, kung makita nyo, tapered siya. It's a little round, but tapered siya. And then, it has a nice size talaga for my cheekbones and also my forehead. So, this is what I love using in applying my bronzer. So, let's use the Teviant. Yeah, I love using the Teviant. I love the colors. This is in the shade Morocco. Morocco ba? Yeah, Morocco. So, guys, kuha lang ako ng konti. Stop ko yung excess. Kung makikita nyo, may mga powder na top. Now, I'm going to start with bronzing my cheeks. Yeah, very lightly lang guys. Parang binabrush ko lang siya ganyan. Tapos yan. Now, I want to go for that, what do you call this one? This direction. Kasi gusto ko ma-lift yung face ko. Press ko lang siya, ganyan, yung product. Tapos konting blend. Ayan, nakita niyo kagad, di ba? Maganda siya maglagay ng bronze kasi nasa spread niya ng evenly yung product. And then, talaga maganda ang mag-bronze kasi, alam mo yun, yung facial structure nyo, na-emphasize nyo on, then ha-highlight nyo talaga yung mga like the cheekbones. I'm going to apply naman here sa forehead ko. Now, dito sa taas, yun talaga ang gusto nyong i-shadow, i-fade. Kasi gusto natin i-highlight what we want to achieve kasi guys in doing the bronzer or doing the sculpting, what you call this one, is to highlight yung mga center ng face mo. So, in order to achieve that, kailangan mo maglagay ng shadows sa mga areas. So, dito tayo sa forehead, maglagay tayo ng shadows. Now, gusto ko rin maglagay dito sa side ng temple kasi gusto ko pang lumiit yung mukha ko sa harap. So, yun. So, press ko lang yung product dyan. Tapos, konting blend. Dapat i-blend mo siya, guys. So, yan. Para wala siyang mga harsh lines. Tapos, maglalagay din ako dito sa neck. Or sa jawline pala, sorry. Tapos, what I like to do is dito sa jawline, if-flick ko siya palabas. Ganyan. Tapos, mas may emphasize yung jawline ko. Yan. Guys, sobrang light lang talaga. Parang yung pag-brush ko sa kanya is tawag dito, like, very light lang na yung hindi ko siya pinupush ha. Parang binabrush ko lang talaga siya. I let the brush or yung mga bristles ang So guys, nahulog. So I let the bristles mag-disperse nung, what do you call this one, ng product. Hindi, ipupush ko siya ng ganyan. If you notice, ayan. Dito, flat lang siya. Wala siyang shading. But here, makikita mo na may cheekbones ako. Here. And then also, mas, ano yun to? Ito yung jawline ko dito guys. Ayun kita nyo ba? Ito. Yung yan nga pat. Ayan. Dito, mayroon pa din. Pero makikita mo to, sobrang sharp. Sobrang sharp. Sharp na siya dito. So that's what we're trying to achieve. So that's the difference. Wait lang guys. Shall we do the one side lang muna? Tapos para we can compare. Kung walang bronze or walang sculpting na gagawin sa kabila at saka sa kabila. So, yun guys. So, yun yung paglalagay natin ng bronzer. Dagdagan ko lang to dito kasi I really want to darken this area. Itong sa mga roots ng hairs. Make sure na naka-dark yan. Now, also the excess product you want to use it para sa nose mo. Guys, papa-bronze lang to ha. So, hindi ako naglagay ng concealer by the way. Nagpa-bronze lang tayo. Kasi yung concealer is a step right after foundation. So, ito, nagbo-bronze lang tayo. Nag-foundation ako but hindi ako nag-concealer. So yun, lagay ko sa nose yung iba para tingnan nyo, yung nose ko, may nakagat shadow dito. So mas matango siya tignan compared to this na wala. Parang flat lang kasi wala siyang parang nag-outline ng nose mo. Kasi naglagay ako ng shadow dyan. So naka-highlight lang yung center and yeah, that's it. Tingnan mo yung difference. So it looks healthy here kasi may bronze. But it's not too much na nagbago yung color ng skin mo. It's just to highlight your cheekbones and also to have your jawline prominent. To look prominent, yeah. Tapos ito, mas maliit yung face ko dyan. Ayan. So nakita niyo ba yung shadow na create natin? Mas sharp to dito kaysa dito. Now, I'm happy na with that though. But yeah, let's do contour naman. So kukuha lang ako ng contour brush. Magko-contour ako. To be honest guys, kasi itong may mga contour brush do. Madaming contour brush. You can use this angled brush for contouring. Maganda din to, but I like using this one. Actually, hinanapan ko to ng magagamit. Hindi ko kasi siya nagagamit ng for highlight. This is made for highlight, for sure. It's a fan brush, but then na-realize ko, mas gusto ko yung parang ibang highlighter brush. But yeah, hinanapan ko siya ng gamit and I like using this one for my contour kasi nadidisperse na yung product evenly or hindi siya harsh, nagka-create ng harsh line or something kasi it's not too much. Nabiblend siya kagad dito. So, yeah. Kukunin ko tong contour product ko here. Ito, this one. Yan, tap ko lang. Tapos tap ko siya dito. Tapos focus ko lang siya dito sa area. Itong sa baba. Kapag gagana ka, pwede ano to? Ako kapasalita. Makita niyo to, itong line na to. So dito natin nilagay yung contour natin para mas maging prominent yung ating cheekbones. Now, apply ko siya dito. Very lightly lang ko lang siya binabrush. Ay, nakita niyo ba? Hindi siya line eh. Nakita niyo yung additional shadow na yan? So, very lightly lang. Siya nilalagay. Ayan. Tapos, pina-fan out ko siya. I-disperse ko pa ng maayos. Ayan, nakita niyo ba yung additional shadow na nagawa niya? But it's not too much. So, lagyan ko dito sa jawline also. Actually, hinanapan ko lang ito ng gamit. And I like using this one for my the contour. Kita niyo ba, guys? Kita niyo yung prominent jawline ko, yung jaw ko. Tingnan to. Pag mas malaki ng konti yung jaw ko dito, I'm not sure, pero kasi yung fat niya, ayan na. Ito, meron din naman. Pero nag-hide siya. Nakita niyo ba? Na parang may yung nagiginawa natin shadow, parang naging square yung jaw ko. Unlike here, ayan, meron din na siyang shadow of course, pero parang mas connected to jaw na to dito sa parang flat siya. But this one, guys, parang siyang shinarpen, di ba? Ayan. So, the excess also I'm going to use here sa nose ko para maglagay pa ako ng contour. Ayan, nai-add pa sa nose ko, tapos dito sa ilalim. Then, balikan ko lang din dito sa mga roots. Mag-add pa ako dito sa roots ng contour. Ang tagal kong hindi ginagamit. Ginamit ko lang to for a few times using for my highlight, tapos hindi ko siya masyadong nagustuhan. I don't know, kasi I like using the other brush for my highlight. And yeah. Then, I figure out na maganda siya sa pang-contour. But you can use other brush, guys. Ako lang to. Parang ito lang yung gusto ko. Kasi parang, I don't know, na-master ko na siya. Oh, na-master na. So yun, nagay ko siya ulit dito. Pagdagan ko lang, guys, ha. Contour ko dito kasi mas gusto ko pa na nako-contour ito. Ayan, nakita niyo ba? Oh, ayan, yung additional shadow na yan na maganda. Nag-a-add ng aking. Ayan, nakita niyo ba? Additional shadow. Hindi siya harsh line. It's just an additional deeper na color ng shadow para ma-highlight yung cheekbones natin. Imagine kapag naka-lift yan siya, kapag yung hair natin naka-tie. Ganyan. Diba? Diba ito sobrang flat lang? Ito may dimension. Yeah, we achieved that dimension, guys. So yun ang paglalagay ng aking contour. So gagawin ko lang itong our contour at saka bronzer. Gagawin ko lang yung kabilang eye face, guys. Then I'll be right back. Okay. So yan, guys. Mas healthy na yung face natin. Hindi siya flat, no white, at may dimension na siya. So that's how I apply my contour and also my bronzer. So healthy na yung skin natin, guys. But of course, if you want to add more, just add more kung may na-achieve ka na makeup look. But this one, actually, this amount is really good for a, you know, yung ginagamit talaga natin, not just for vlogging or for photoshoot, but you know, yung mga pupunta ka ng mga special occasions or pag-attend ka ng mga programs. So this one is really nice, it's very healthy. So guys, that's it. We're done. Hinihingal ako. So this is my third video that I've done tonight. I am hopefully ma-upload ko sila lahat. At kung hindi mag-crash yung laptop na to na hiniram ko lang or kaya ko siyang i-edit. So that's my problem. Meron kaya itong Adobe? I'm not sure. Guys, nilearn ko yung Adobe and I'm not sure kung Adobe din ang editor ng laptop na to. Oh my God. Nasa stress na ako. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and hopefully I'm going to see you soon. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and subscribe on my channel. Guys, mag-subscribe naman kayo and also like my videos. And also please do care to share. Wow, that rhymes. Please do care to share. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye!